And welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 27th of April 2016. Starting off in yesterday's 5-minute chart, it was a fairly quiet pre-market session, and then we had a sell signal at 10 minutes past 3. This was after the consumer figures came out worse than expected, and we then see prices moving to the downside, taking out the magical 18,000. It's now becoming a bit of a resistance area for this market, as you can see here, and then prices continuing to move lower. We also see the market drive through the scalp when it does this. This is the indication to then trail above the lower highs, and eventually the market stop this trade out. If you didn't get out at the 17,950, then as the market came back, you would have been stopped out for around 49 points there. We then had a buy signal, and this just producing the 20 points, just put that in the right place, just producing the 20-point scalp there, even though the market drove through the scalp initially. By the time the market came back, you can see there that we're just around the 23-24 points on this trade. And as you know, as I said many times before, if you make money in the first parts of the session, forget the second part, and there you can see the reason why. And also, you know that I'm not here on a Tuesday evening, as I have a night away from the desk with my wife ballroom dancing. So prices are starting to look a bit weak, and this is the same on the overnight. We've got a bit of a bounce back here above the 17,950, but if we have a look at the daily chart, you can see prices are really sideways, and that's because of this evening. The market's waiting for the FOMC announcement. This is due out at the usual time of 7 p.m. 1900 BST, and before that we've got the crude oil inventories at 3:30, which is a high impact news item now as well. So keep an eye on that one as well. It's now become a very important news item for the stock market, and that's because, as you'll see yesterday, crude oil moving back to the upside, and this driving the stock market, or helping to support it at the moment. Again, another manipulated market along with the stock market. They're trying to get the price of crude up just so that they can reduce some of the debts that the bank have got for loans made for fracking. So that's the current state of the day. You can see how sideways it is, but fortunately it's still giving enough momentum and volatility for profits. In the implied volatility, 1192, more or less the same as yesterday. And again, you can see the historic volatility going on to make new lows as it drops down to 787 for the 25th of April there. Right, that's it for today. Let's see what the FOMC announcement brings, see if it brings more activity. I'm not expecting too much, to be honest with you, because it's not a live event. It's just going to be a report that's released at 7 p.m. No change to interest rates. If there is, I'll be very, very surprised. They tend to be left for the live ones, so for every quarter. Right, that's it. See you in tomorrow's as ever. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.